Next up, ready to rock for Phalanx. In this we need to acquire a large plate carrier, a large backpack, and a self-revive kit, and that's pretty much it. I'm pretty sure you can go into a map with these already equipped, so I'm gonna test that out and see if that is possible. If not, it'll take some time to pick up these required items, but you can get them as a higher chance drop from other players of course, or airdrops, etc. Okay, so unfortunately for ready to rock for Phalanx, we can't bring in a large plate carrier, backpack, and a self-revive kit. Instead, we need to find these around the world, even though I already have one of these. I'm pretty sure you can already equip a large backpack if you have a large backpack, but obviously it'll be best to come in with as little gear as possible. That way you can find all of these items and upgrade your character rather than just picking them up and dropping them immediately afterwards. Obviously, if you have teammates, they can help you by looting their own things, and eventually if one of them finds something, it will count for you as well, which is great.
Yeah, this is a player card, must be. Yep, players. Get downed one.
Alright, so unfortunately there was a huge amount of combat, so I didn't really pay attention to what was going on, but essentially the first kill that I got is where I got my large backpack. The second, I'm pretty sure, is where I got the large plate carrier, and finally a self-revive came somewhere in the mix. It's ultimately not too difficult. You can find self-revives and everything else on players. Otherwise, if you have bad luck getting players, all you need to do is look around med boxes for self-revive kits. You'll easily find them. They're those little med kits on walls, super easy to find. They just take quite a few opens, check different bathrooms, etc. Whenever you pass one, open it up. The plate carrier and a backpack you're more than likely to find in airdrops and things like that, those high-tiered loot drops such as maybe orange boxes, etc. in strongholds, but essentially they're really not that difficult to come around. It just could take a bit of time while you're running around the map. Anyways, that's about it for this quick video, so thank you all for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.